Hi students, welcome to our channel. I am Dr.K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous class, we learned about MedSort algorithm. In this session, we see how to implement MedSort algorithm in C programming. So, overview of the presentation. In this presentation, we are going to see how to implement MedSort function. Outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture, you all are implement MedSort to sort elements in an array. So, this is the implementation of MedSort. So, this is the main function. Here we read the size of the array. So, let us assume the size of the array is 10. Array name is ARR and the size is 10. Okay, these are the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, using this for loop, we read the values into array. So, 98, 45, 9, 67, 34, 23, 78, 198, 56 and 55. So, before calling MedSort, we print the elements in array. So, output is 98, 45, 9, 67, 34, 23, 78, 198, 56 and 55. Okay. Now, we call the function MedSort with array 0 n minus 1. So, 0 is the starting index, n minus 1 means what is the n here? 10. So, 10 minus 1 means 9. So, this is the MedSort function. In this MedSort, array is, this is the array L R. So, left equals to 0, R equals to 9. So, 0 less than R, yes, 0 less than 9, it is true. So, here we find M, that is the mid, L plus R by 2. What is the L here? 0 plus 9 by 2. What is the 0 plus 9 by 2? That is 4. So, this is the mid now. So, this will be left, this will be right. Now, so recursively sort the first and second halves. Again we call the same function MedSort. Now, what is the input? ARR, same array, and L, what is the L value? 0 and M, what is the M? 4, 0 to 4. Now, it becomes as 98, 45, 9, 67, 34. Okay. Again we call the same function. Now, what happened? What is the mid now? M equals to 0, 4. 0 plus 4 by 2, 2 now. Again we call the same MedSort with ARR, L equals to 0. Now, what is the M? 2. So, 98, 45, 9. Again we call the same function. So, now what is the mid value? L plus R. What is the R now? 2. 0 plus 2, 2 by 2. Now, it becomes as 1. So, it becomes as 98, 45. Now, what is L value? 0. R value 1. So, again we find the M equals to 1 by 2, that is 0. So, 98. Now, again we call the function L less than R. Now, what is the L value? 0. R value 0. Now, we stop here. What is the size of the array? 98. Now, we move to right side. 0 plus 1, 1. So, it becomes as 45. Now, also L and R, both the values are 1. 1 less than 1, false. So, 98, 45 is right side also over. Now, you call the merge function. So, this is the merge function. So, this function will create one temporary array. So, 98, 45 creates one temporary array with size 2, and here we are going to store these 98, 45 into new array. So, this is the while loop we are going to use to store the elements 98, 45. Now, 45 is small. So we store 45 here and we reach end of the array. So 98 store here. Okay. Now, so left side is our, right side there is a number 9. Now again you apply, you call the same sort function. So 9, 45, 98. Now we have another two elements 67, 34. 67 and 34 merge. So it becomes as 34, 67. Now 34, 67. Again you sort. It becomes as 9, 34, 45, 67 and 98. Okay. First half is over. Let us remember these values. Those are 9, 34, 45, 67, 98. So coming to right side, so 23, 78, 198, 56, 55. What is the mid now? 5 plus 9. So 5 plus 9, 14, 14 by 2, 7. So now it divided as 23, 78, 198. Again this is the 3. So 5, 7 divided into 2 halves. So it becomes as 23, 78. Again it is size 2. So again divided into 23, 78. Now compare 23 and 78. 23 is smaller. So merge. Now there is 198. Now you compare 198. Yes, 23 is smaller. So merge. 78 is smaller. Merge. So 198. Okay, here we have 56 and 55. Divide as 56, 55. Size of the array is 1. So merge. If you merge, it becomes as 55, 56. Here we have, so 23, 78, 198 and 55, 56. So the right side 5 elements are, compare 23 with 55, 23 is smaller. 78 with 55, 55 is smaller. 56 is smaller. 78 and 198. So now we see merge function for these two arrays for better understanding. So here ARR is, so this is the ARR, L and M. In this case, L equals to 0, M equals to 4, R equals to 9. This is the merge sort. So L equals to 0, M equals to 4, R equals to 9. I, J, K, we are taking I, J, K. So N1 and N2. So these are the sizes of temporary variables M. What is M? 4 minus 0 plus 1, that is a 5. N2 is R minus M. What is R? 9. 9 minus 4 means 5. That means size of the first array is 5. Size of the second array is 5. So here we are creating two temporary variables L 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we store the values. L of I equals to error of L plus I. Now these values 9, 34, 45, 67, 98 left side. Remaining elements are right side. Right side elements are 23, 55, 56, 78, 198. Okay. So now merge the temporary arrays back into error. Now this is the error. Now I equals to 0, J equals to 0 and K equals to L here. L is 0. So I equals to 0, J equals to 0, K also 0. So 0 less than N1. What is N1? 5. And what is the J? 0. 0 less than N2. What is N2? 5. Yes, both are true. So enter into the block. So compare L of I. What is L of I? 9 less than or equals to R of J. What is R of J? 23. Yes, 9 is less than 23. So in this ARR, so this is the ARR consists of 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is the ARR. Error of K. What is the K value? 0 equals to L of I, that is 9. Okay. So now increment I value, now I value become as 1. Now this is the 34 and k plus plus k also become as 1. Now again move to here, 1 less than 5 true and 0 less than 5 true. Enter into the block, L of I less than R of j. So 34 less than 23 false. So now error of k equals to R of j. Now 23 is stored here and increment j and k value. Now j value is 1, k value is 2 now. Now again compare, what is I value? 1, 1 less than 5, j value is 1, 1 less than 5 true. What is L of I? 34 less than 55, yes it is true. So 34 and increment I value, so I value become as 2 now and k value become as 3. Now again move to here, 2 less than 5 true, 1 less than 5 true. So L of I, that is 45 is less than 55, yes it is true. So 45 store here, increment I value and k value. And again compare, so 3 less than 5 true and 1 less than 5 true. So what is the 3? 67, 67 less than 55? No. So increment j, now j value is 2 and k value is 5, we store 55 here. Now again I hope you all understand the process. Here 56 is less than 67, so 56 and increment j and k. Next 67 is less than 78, so increment I and k. So 56 is less than 67, so increment both j and k. So now 67 is less than 78, so 67 here, so increment I and k value. So 98 is less than 78, no, so 78, so increment j and k. Next here 98 is less than 198, no, so 98 is here. So now I value become as 5, so 5 less than 5 false. Now we move to here and I less than n1, the remaining elements we are going to append here. So check, what is I value? 5 less than 5 false and check j value. So j value 4, 4 less than 5 true. So the remaining elements you are going to append here, 198. If you have 10 numbers, all the 10 numbers you are going to append using this while loop. Now if you observe, so this is the sorted array, 9, 23, 34, 45, 55, 56, 67, 78, 98, 198. So let us execute this program. Enter size of the array 10, elements 98, 45, 9, 67, 34, 23, 78, 198, 56, 55. Okay. So now, so this is the output. So before sorting it is 98, 45, 9, 67, 34, 23, 78, 198, 55, 56. Here I am printing the mid value for better understanding. So how the array is divided into two halves. In first recursion call, the mid value is 4. So 0 to 4 is one half and 5 to 9 is second half. Okay. Now after sorting, this is the elements in array 9, 23, 34, 45, 55, 56, 67, 78, 98 and 198. So coming to summary of the session. In this session, we learn how to implement medsort. So medsort is a sorting algorithm that follows the divide and conquer strategy. So divide the array into two halves and conquer means recursively sort each half. So merge two sorted halves to produce a single sorted array. Here the base case is we divide the array into two parts until the array size is 1. If the array has one element, it is considered as sorted. I hope you all are understand how to implement medsort in C programming. If you have any doubts, place your doubts in the comment section. I will answer all your doubts. In next class, we are going to discuss about heap sort algorithm. Thank you.